जय श्री राधे। डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13, पेज नंबर 139। डिक्टेशन 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। स्टार्ट। ए ट्रेन इज रनिंग along that line towards one of these stations. Full stop. It reaches the station. It perhaps waits there for a very little while, and then it passes on, leaving the station behind it. Full stop. But the station existed before the train reached it, and it continues to exist after the train has left it. Full stop. In the same way, it is said the things which happen in life are there all the time, waiting for us to reach them. Full stop. We reach them and experience them and pass on, leaving them behind us. Full stop. According to the writers of these modern books, these events existed before we knew of them and will continue to exist when we ourselves are no more. Full stop. They will exist in fact for as long as anything as we understand it exists. Full stop. Para. We read these statements and think carefully about them, and at first it seems that the statements cannot be true, that we cannot seriously be expected to believe them. Full stop. Then perhaps we remember some of the things we were told as children and which we have always believed to be true. Full stop. As children, we learned that many of the little points of light which appeared above us at night are really great bodies which are millions of miles away from the earth. Full stop. Light, we were told, moves at the rate of about 186,000 miles a second, but so far distant are these bodies from us that the light which we see coming from them is the light which left them thousands, and in some cases millions of years ago. Full stop. Because of this fact, we learned if we could discover some method by which our eyes could see that was happening on one of these distant bodies. We should see not what is happening today, but what was happening ages and ages ago. Full stop.